Hi boys and girls. Today in Social Studies you are going to be creating your own map with your own map key. Just like you watched in the video in Discovery Ed, you are going to create a map. You can make it of your bedroom, you can make it of maybe your favorite room in the house, you can make it of your park, whatever you choose. But one thing you do need to do is make sure that you use symbols in your drawings. You will use your map key to explain what those symbols are. Let me show you an example. I made one for you. This is a map of my den. Notice that I haven't written words on each one of the things that I drew. For example, I drew a symbol or a picture here, and over here in the map key, I drew the symbol again, and I told you that meant that's what my TV was. If you look down here, I've also drawn a symbol. So in order to find out what is right there, I would go over to my map key, find that picture, and then next to it, write what that symbol means. My fireplace is right here. So today you are going to draw a picture of your room or playground, and then you are going to make a map key explaining all of your symbols. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher. One thing that you can do that we're not doing on this, if you would like to take this a little further, if you noticed in the Discovery Education video, they used what we call grid paper. It's paper that has squares on it. And they actually walked from each item to the next. For example, they saw how long it took to walk from this slide to the bathroom. And they counted out those squares. We don't have grid paper at home with us right now since we're virtual, so I decided to leave that step out. But if you have grid paper at home, I think it would be a great idea to use it for making your map. I hope you guys have fun making your map, and you're going to share this with your teacher when you're finished. You're going to take a picture of it and send it to her through Schoology. Have a great time drawing your map. Bye guys!